What's up? We're doing the spark plugs on the G right now. We got the whole squad here, you know. We got the whole squad. What's and we got spark plugs here. I'll have to bleep that out. We got those spark plugs here. We got 3 of them in right now. Jonathan's helping me.
Bro's not even halfway done.
I am
Actually, that's not halfway done. We get the Z1 intake.
You're not
the Z1 pipes.
therefore you're not halfway done.
We got engine parts everywhere. You guys should really change the spark plugs because you know they're good to do. Also, I just hit 100,000 miles, so legitimately like it's really good. You got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But yeah, Jonathan, are you qualified to work on Nissan parts?
Nissan, yeah.
Because you work there with me. Yeah. Then we also got the other VQ here, hold on. Got the other VQ right over there, and then the RSX and the Honda Accord. Yeah, this is what we're working on right now. So, oh, there we go. You guys can see it right now. Cool. Alright. Cooling.
Now he has a Bluetooth air intake.
Bluetooth air intake. I have 2 actually. I have 1 and 2. John, you breaking stuff over there?
No, I'm hitting your box. She's in the process of fixing it.
My box. I'm gonna hit this box on your head, bro. Swear. What?
No, you did not.
What did you say?
Dirty joke.
What's this thing for right here? Is that for the airbox, I guess?
What?
This little dude right here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do the grounding kit on this too, which is gonna go straight into here in a few other spots. Let's bring him here. Be cool. My boy, that is not a hammer.
Anything is a hammer.
I guess you've really tried hard enough.
Anything in my line of work is a fucking hammer. Oh, that might be.
Do not. Oh, you just rounded off.
Yeah, it was already starting around. It was already halfway around you.
Did you round it off fully?
Yeah.
Did you actually?
Yeah, but I should be able to make something work with it. You got bigger?
How? What?
You got one of these bigger?
Yes, hold
Get.
on. John is fired. John is fired because he rounded the bolt off.
It was already halfway around you.
That's what they all say.
No, trust me. If I break something, I'm breaking it good.
I know, I know. Yeah, this should improve the handling. Or,
Where'd you put the other one?
improve the performance of my car, so you know. So weird how they have like holes there, but they're not actually there. Also, my lovely paint job is coming off on here. Got the Bluetooth engine cover right here. It's not even on here. It just works as it is. Adds 5 horsepower. And we got the 15 horsepower tubes here. Just so you guys know, I'm paying him to do this for me, so that's why we're like, you know. Why is it going in there so easily? Why is it going in there so easily?
I'm hitting it.
Is that the one that was like already kind of rounded off?
This is the bolt that is like rounded off. I need bigger. This is the biggest tube.
The biggest one?
Both of them.
Here you go. What did you just do?
Fuck you.
Asterisk, something falls asterisk.
Karma. That is karma. Where'd it go?
Right here.
I don't know what karma for. Alright guys, I'm back. So, us being the genius mechanics that we are, we ran out of bolts. So whoever did before basically like straight up like round off bolt. So we went to Ace Hardware, some electrical tape, and some bolts. So we got the original one, which is this one. We got 2 other ones just like that. And we're also in the Z. So hooray, we're in the Z. What's up, Joe?
Hey, what's up?
So I'm gonna be calling up with you guys whenever we get everything put in. Just be sure to do your spark plugs because this is very interesting. So you got the whole intake manifold and everything, and it's just, you know, it's a lot. So we're getting the actual bolt out. We're having to use vice grips. The Milwaukee, the best Milwaukee, you know. But yeah, so you may help.
Not currently.
I can't help right now, but I can help in a minute. This is much as it goes. Should be loose now though. But yeah, we got the new bolts. Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna get the bolts. Might as well get them up here. Here's the old one, right there. Here's a new one. Here's the other new one. So we got 2 of them, just in case something like this happens again. We got it! Woo!
That thing was on.
We can get that out of there, right there. Got my hammer, my nice cold wet hammer, which is trying to fall apart, which is awful. But yeah, joys of working on Nissans. At least they designed it where they have a little lip on there, which is nice. But John, how many of these you worked on?
Huh?
How many of these you worked on? How many of these?
Too damn many.
Too many? What do they have this in? They have this in the Muranos or what?
Yeah.
They have in the Muranos, do they have in the Rogues too or no?
Some of the Rogues, yes, depending on the year.
Also, when you guys are doing this, do not unplug the throttle body at all. You're gonna have 4 bolts on each side. It should look like that when you get done, or when you start. Take off this one, that one, that one, that one. If you have intakes, take them off. This is like what I have, so yeah. Where's my intake plug thing at? Where's my
It's in there somewhere.
aha, found him. My MAP sensor. Make sure to plug those in, or else unless you want a code. That's all for the code. Let me get that one spark plug out.
Yeah, can you open one of them spark plugs out?
Yeah. And also I got Denso, which is OEM quality, so that's nice. I'm gonna open one of these up.
None of them have that oil in them.
None of them have oil in them? Nice. It's the thing you also gotta look out for, guys, as well, is there's oil, there's some of those oil in the actual spark plugs. This is the ones that I'm replacing with. What were the original ones? Were they NGK?
Yeah.
No, they were Denso. The original ones are Denso. I'm gonna take a look at them real quick.
Go for it.
Here's the original ones that were in here. It was about time for these guys. FXC. They're actually the same spark plugs. Cool. I did a good job. Yeah, these guys were about to ready to get replaced. They were getting there. And then also, John, do you want to go on a ride with me just to make sure they're like better right now?
Don't even need to go on a ride. All you gotta do is start it up. I'll be tell you.
True. Maybe they'll run the Ace hardware to get this and the Z. But yeah, the Z. The 250Z. Yeah, I got you. There's a spark plug right there. You need the magnet.
Not yet.
Also, that is disgusting. I needed to coat that plastic stuff over there.
Oh,
yeah.
Just got rain stuff on it and everything. Is it hot?
Is it hot? I don't know. I don't touch
Oh, it's a little hot. Just a little bit. Tiny bit. I'll put that with the guy with the other ones. So yeah, they're all ready to be replaced. Honestly, they weren't misfiring, which is nice.
No, they won't misfire until they're down like really fucking low.
Yeah, but they're right there at the
That's
time.
what happened to mine. Mine was misfiring. I had to replace one.
You need to replace the other
It
ones.
was the coil pack, actually. It wasn't
Well, yeah.
the spark plug, it was the coil pack.
Yeah, cool packs are big.
But yeah.
Also, right now it is almost 8 o'clock. I've been working on this since 6, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
And it's
you
all
fix-
because of that one fucking bolt.
I know, literally. Where'd that bolt go?
Yeah, we didn't replace the other ones because it was
This
so hard.
is what happened to the bolt. It got rounded off in the inside. So watch out for this. We had to eat into the bolt on the sides to get it out.
Yeah, it took me and my dad a while just to do the first one. So we were like, you know, we're just gonna wait on the other ones.
Also, if you guys want any of this, I can do a giveaway. Whoever comments can have one of these. Just gotta come get it. That was a joke, by the way. Do not come to my house. We got plenty of people here. We got a scooter too. We got the toolkit. But hopefully this improves my thing a lot. I also got my oil changed, as well as my coolant and my fuel treatment, and as well as that. What else did I get? Oh yeah.
Emissions test.
What?
Emissions.
No, I didn't get emissions. They didn't run that because I have no cats. They didn't bother with that.
Oh, they did?
No, I didn't bother with. What was that? I know. Just fixing this right here. I'm very OCD about my car. You're good. John, good mechanic. On way. On way, right, John?
Yeah, on way.
On way. Caveman speak. That's the last one, right? We're closer, guys. Woo! Woo! Also, my strip bar is just chilling right here. I'm about to hear your head on it.
Nah.
Show the camera your tattoo, your sex tattoo right there. Look at that. Why is it like the Ace of Spades?
Yeah, pretty much.
Pretty much?
It's just random cards.
You get 2 aces.
Yeah, 2 aces, 2 eights.
What's the meaning of the 2 aces and 2 eights?
None.
None?
Nothing, literally.
Yeah, we'll be back whenever we get this done. So, see you guys. Welcome back. So we got the spark plugs in. I'll show you guys the old ones. These are all the old ones in here. Oh, hold on 1 second. So the old ones are in here. Joe just left, so he is gone. He'll be back tomorrow. But we got everything done. So we got everything out. This is some of the old ones right here. So as you can see here, they're dunzo, like literally used up. So now I'm going to show you guys how it starts up now. So first we're going to go ahead and do this right here. My window here. Sounds a lot better. There's also idling better as well, which is nice. Totally recommend this repair if you can. It's a lot better on your car. And yeah, my Android Auto is trying to lit up here. But honestly, as far as this, it is a lot better. And I totally recommend this. 100,000 miles ACI, I just hit that right there. So that's pretty awesome there. But yeah, so as far as that, I'm gonna plug in my phone real quick because it's about to die. Probably lagging for you guys, sorry. There we go, okay. But yeah, so the thing I've noticed as well is that the hesitation is less and it actually kind of pops now, which is kind of crazy. Kind of pops, which is nice. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. If you guys did enjoy this, share it with your friends, and we will see you guys soon. Also, ignore that's for my cats. It is not for anything on my car. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.